Hi bro, what are you?
I'm watching Interstellar second time.
Why second time?
I like especially just one skin. Do you know?
Which skin?
The man who is here come back to Earth. He meets his daughter, and his daughter looks like older. And
I remember that part.
you remember?
Yeah.
How would you happen? I
don't
don't
know.
believe that.
How couldn't you believe that? It's about the Einstein's theorem. Relativity.
Einstein's what?
Theorem. Relativity.
Relativities.
Yes. Space and time.
I don't.
Did you hear that before?
No.
From high school or something like that?
Just no.
Oh bro, you have to learn that.
But how? How can
Just remind me, we have a project about physics.
physics?
And we have to submit it today.
Today.
Yes.
Yeah, we are gonna prepare it.
Yeah. And we can prepare this.
Let's do that.
Let's do that.
Hello everyone, I am Osman and I am studying industrial engineering at AGÜ. Today we are preparing a 10 minutes video. It's a physics project. It's about space-time and speed of light. It's about Einstein relativity, but we don't explain all parts. We will show just specific part, and let me start with space-time. Similar to the effect that motion has on time, there's a relativistic effect involving length as well. Any moving object is shortened along the direction of motion. This effect is known as length construction. Length construction is a second necessary consequence of Einstein's postulates that the speed of light is the same for all observations. We know now, beyond all doubt, that both length construction and time dilation actually, with time dilation and length construction together, we can now see final solution of how Einstein's postulates allows the time starship to measure of some speed of light. As the upper starship passes, we see that the starship clock runs slower than the one at rest. We also note that the starship itself is the sort of constructed after 12 seconds elapsed on stationary clock. We can only 9 seconds elapsed on moving clock. Not the 6 seconds we assumed in on earlier example, but due to length construction, the moving ship and all rulers aboard are constructed just enough to make the measurement work. According to the Creel, the beam of light travels 9 light seconds, and 9 light seconds, and now report that the light beam travels at the correct speed of 1 light second per second. Thousands of experiments have been done since Einstein's stated is postulated, and everyone has shown time dilation and length construction are real and really happen. Back in 1971, for AGÜ'nün, atomic clocks are synchronized and flown on commercial planes that circle on Earth twice and then compared on the reference clock at the US Naval Observatory.
Hi guys, I am AGÜ'nün. As you see the part 1 of the speed, time and the speed of the light. Now I am going to explain the part 2. Let's look at it differently. Here is a graph of a car which is traveling to east at its maximum speed of 100 miles per hour. It's making no process to north direction. It's give all the energy to moving to east. Let's turn to the northeast. You thought the car still have same velocity, but the car doesn't have same velocity according to the east direction, because some of the speed is being used at the north as well. Space and time can be thought of in the same way. Everything in the universe is traveling toward the space and time at the speed of the light, which is the maximum speed available. To time replacing east and space replacing north in the car example. If you are still in the space, not going north, you are traveling at the maximum speed called time, east. But if you start moving in space, north, your process called time slowed down, since some of your speed has been diverted. The faster you go towards space, the slower your process called time. If you could travel at the speed of light in the space direction, you will make no process in the time direction at all. The time would stand still as it does for a beam of light, and if you could faster than the speed of the light, you could travel backwards in the time. Remember, if different servers must always agree on the speed of light, then must disagree on the components of the speeds, time and distances. Time and distances both shorten from moving observers. These unusual effects of relativity, time and dilation and length contraction depend dramatically on your velocity. At everyday speeds, they are simply not noticeable. The fastest that humans have ever traveled is a few miles per second. A tiny fractions of the speed of which light travels at 186,000 miles per second. But in Einstein's universe, space and time were no longer absolute. There is no single time that exists for everyone in the universe. No distance in space that everyone can agree on it. Space and time, like classical velocities, are only relative. Einstein preferred to think of a single identity, space-time, in which events a measurement took place.
Thanks for watching, and
Don't forget to
thanks for watching, and
don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
yeah, hit the subscribe button. I think it's here, maybe.
Probably
Maybe
on the
yeah.
screen.
Yeah.
And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button.
Yeah, if you don't like, please try to like them.
And there should be a link
Canvas.
about Canvas,
Yeah.
and our special guest can give us a 100 point for physics projects.
Yeah, it's
And-
about my future.
Yes, it can change our future. And again, thanks for watching. See you other videos, maybe.
Maybe. I don't know.